Hey guys, this morning I will work on two things. First, I will work on molding or a trim so the water don't get between the two parts anymore. And I will also, oh sorry for the sun, I will also work on lifting the floor or the bottom of this thing about 6.5 inches so it can fit in the bed. So this is the job for today. Let's start it. So what I will do, because this jack is still just sitting there and it will be pretty dangerous to lift that thing from 8 inches just with a loose jack like that. So what I will do, I will rise about 1.5 inches and I will put some 2x6 on my bench here. Every time I will rise from 1.5 inches, so at least if the jack slip or anything happen, at least it will sit on my bench and not fall on the ground or on the truck, or you know what I mean. So I'm getting ready to lift this thing up, let it rest on the leg so I can start working on the bottom of this thing. I decided just to let it on the 2x6 for now because I'm shaking this thing a lot. I've started to remove the molding around because obviously I need to overlap this aluminum on my strip of aluminum I will put on the new base or in the new framing that I will do underneath the floor. Reason why I need to remove the trim, because I don't want to just put two trim side by side. It will be ugly and it will be a risk of leak. So this is what I'm doing at the moment, removing the trim all around camper. After that I will try to, as you can see, the aluminum is bent, so I will remove all the nails. I will straighten up the bend so I can put my strip of aluminum underneath this piece here, so at least the water will just follow the aluminum and go right on the bottom, instead of if I put that over, it will go between the two pieces of aluminum, which will not be a good thing. So I'm on the removing of all these trims, these trim. So I'll update you soon. Sorry guys, there's a lot of noise because everybody are getting their backyard ready for spring, for the summer, starting their snowblower, stuff like that. So there's a lot of noise out there. I'm done preparing the surrounding. I removed the band, pretty damaged the aluminum, but now I'm getting ready to frame the new extension. I just made the base and I'm sorry I completely forget to record it when I build it, but I will show you what it looked like from underneath so you can see how I made it. So it's pretty much at this place already. I matched obviously all the pattern of the walls. And the way I made it, I put a piece at every 16 inches. Maybe I could have gone at every 19.25, but I'm used to work with 16 inches between studs. The forends are just there because I put it square and it will stay like that as long as I will bolt it on a camper. After that I will remove the forends and I will install an half inch plywood underneath that, and it will be done for the lower part. After that, I bought a strip of aluminum of 6 inches. I will put that underneath this section, and I will bend the lower ear so it doesn't scratch the box or the bed of the truck when I put it on. So now that it is at the right place, I will go and work underneath. I bought some 6 inches squares, 90-degree square, so I can hold it on the existing floor. The mistake I've done is I forget to mark where are my support. So obviously I don't have here. I'm scared to build that only with one support right in the middle. So this sucks if it's the case. But it looked like it, looked very much like it. Okay, update. Since I don't have any solid place to nail or to screw it apart from the in the middle, I will put my square in the middle like this, and I will put some screws on the angle but from the outside toward the inside, so I get some solid in the piece on the surrounding of the existing floor. I believe it's just the floor, it's very banded, so I will put a jack underneath here, try to rise the corner. Yeah, it looks like it's working. Can't go more than that. I'm rising the camper itself. Yeah, doesn't go anymore. That's good. Get tight a bit. Where I put the screw, it got tightened a bit. So I will do that all the way in the back. Here again, I could bang it. I will make sure it doesn't stick out in the front. No, I missed that. No, it's perfect in the front. No, it could go back. It could go back. I will have to remove my screws and bang this back a bit. How does it look like now? A little bit more. I go and see in the back what it looks like. Maybe it was a little too much. We'll see. Yeah, it's a little too, is it? Yeah, on this corner it's a little too much. I will put it, bang it back a bit. Yeah, it's too much. Last shot. There we go. It's pretty much at the right place now. I'll put some screw on the surrounding at different spots, and after that I will go and install the squares underneath this thing. Perfect. It got pretty tight in the corner, so I got this little gap here, but it's because it's higher there or it's lower there, depending how you see it. So I have a little arc, but I will screw that all the way. After that, I will do all around the camper. There we go. There we go, now it's tight. It was loose. I don't know if you can see it, now it's tight all the way. Going well, baby. It's going well. Anyway, j'ai oublié mes studs. There we go, the plywood is done, or the base is done. It's now about 6 inches higher, so it will fit in the bed of the truck. So the only thing left to do on this base for now is to do the aluminum over it. So this will be it for today. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification button so you'll be notified as soon as I will release the following part on this camper project. So on this, I wish everybody a great day. See you later.